right, so the next service I'm gonna show you guys is called Iml TV. I always tell people it's like Forex for ESPN, it's like the ESPN for Forex. It's all around the clock education, over 50 different educators, as you see, in different languages from German, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Polish, Italian, all different type of languages, guys, going over education for Forex. So I'm gonna kind of click through it just to show you guys. I want to be 100% transparent. You see we have Forex basic educators, but I want to show you guys really the Forex advanced educators. And you see they got all of the schedules. So pretty much you'll go here and you'll match up your schedule with some of your favorite educator schedules. It's over 60 different educators, all giving you the knowledge that they went out and paid for. They're literally giving it to you for free. So you'll just go here, find some of your favorite educators, find out what their schedule it is, plug it into your Google Calendar, plug it into your calendar on your phone, set alarms so to make sure that you can make it to their sessions. And pretty much what happens is, I'm gonna click on one of the sessions. I'm giving you guys inside look before you even pay for anything, what you guys are receiving, guys. It's pretty much a no-brainer. So when you click on it, it will take you to the session, and you see right here, the session isn't live, but this is a pre-recorded one. It ended July 6th at 7:18. I can watch it again. And on the right, you can actually chat with the educator, chat with people in the company, chat with people in our culture, and ask them questions too. As you see right here, I'm going through the chat, scrolling, and just giving you guys real proof of what you're gonna get when you sign up, just so you know it's no secret or anything like that, just being 100% transparent. So as you guys see, when the educator get on here, they pretty much just give you a bunch of tips, and this is all around the clock, guys, all around the clock. Just like you could go to your TV, just like you could go to ESPN and hear about sports, all around the clock at any time you can log in and get educated on a $5.3 trillion market, guys. So Iml TV, I always tell people, is one of the top services you need to plug into right away when you get started, because the value, you can't even put a price tag on it, guys. You got some of the best traders in the world pretty much pouring into you to help you become a profitable trader. All you have to do is go out your way to apply some of the knowledge, and go out your way to get some of the knowledge, and just be a student that's never absent, and you can make some money, guys.